Hey friend, God helps those who helps themselves. You've heard that before, di ba? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Glenn, and today, let's talk about what it really meant. It's not in the Bible. Oh, di ba? It didn't say anything like that in the Bible. In fact, that phrase came from a Greek philosopher. So, galing daw po siya sa isang Grego, yung sinabi niyang yon. But, if you think about it, di ba? There's sense sa sinabi niya and why he says that God helps those who helps themselves. Because God is a God of grace and mercy. And most of all, He's a gentle God, di ba? So I shared it before. He doesn't intrude. Hindi siya nanghihimasok sa atin. Dahil ganun niya tayo kamahal. Kahit sometimes, we are going astray because of the decisions that we have in life. But He is so gracious. He makes sure na balik tayo ron sa rail o sa track which is right. So, what does it mean? God helps those who helps themselves. Well, we know that faith requires movement. Faith requires action. But we can't just say, I have faith, and then we don't do things as well to show that we have faith. God is so good because even though we are not ready yet, He's always there to help us. So He knows how fragile we are. Alam niya na by ourselves, hindi natin kaya. So that's why He's always there for us. That's why He's there to support us. But at the same time, we have to do our part. Because like what I've shared before, it's a partnership, di ba? Ang kabutihan ng Lord, even though we are not equipped, He will equip us. Sabi nga sa Romans 5:6, di ba? While we were powerless, He died for us. So, meaning, we were not ready. We're not born ready, and we will not be ready if it's just our own actions. So it's a partnership. We have to invite the Lord. We have to share to the Lord what's our innermost thoughts. Even though He knew about it, He likes that. It's like a father and son conversation or a mother and daughter or mother and son. Something like that, diba? When someone is honest, sarap nung feeling. So the Lord is the same, but He is gentle. Like what I said, if we are not gonna allow Him to really work in our lives, it's hard. And there's so many consequences. There's so many heartaches. Kaya dapat, it's a partnership. We have to rely and trust God that He will move. But here's the key. We have to listen. We have to open our heart. We can't just hear what we want to hear. We shouldn't have a selective hearing. Sometimes, I wonder, and I am guilty as well, this one, right? God, are you here? God, do you move? God, can you help? But little did I know, He's already helping. He's with me, and He's already set up the way para doon sa ikabubuti ko, for the benefit and for the goodness of us. But I don't see it sometimes. He knows that. That's why He wanted us to completely trust Him. He wanted us to completely rely on Him. God is so good, my friend. God is magnificent in all His ways. He will do things that beyond our imagination. He can do things that beyond our comprehension. So we just have to really trust and rely sa Kanya. And at the same time, do our best, do our part. In a partnership, there's always that 50-50 or even 80-20. It's not 100% alone. So we really have to have that balance. The reason I'm sharing this is because I'm experiencing it myself. So it's a reminder for me, and I want it to be a reminder for you as well. So have a great week, and thank you once again for your time. I hope to see you guys again. Okay? So if this resonates to you, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. So it will help other people that needs to hear this message. Okay? Stay safe, my friend. Stay loving, stay faithful, stay peaceful, because the best is yet to come. Magtiwala lang tayo. Let's trust the God that loves us so much. Okay? God bless. The best is yet to come. Peace.